And you probably have a better view than I do under here. I don't know. Fortunately, it's not that important. Why? Looking at those, not seeing anything. There's a little smoke coming out of there, which is odd. Hey, baby.
Hello.
Hi. You want to be on camera?
No.
She's shy. Camera shy. She is a big-time actress in the Philippines, though, which is odd that she doesn't want to be on YouTube with me. She is a big-time actress in the Philippines.
She's smoking.
Yep.
Meaning something's wrong with it?
Hey, baby.
This is smoking.
I know. It's supposed to be. We're testing it.
Oh, right, okay. Be careful. Go, go. Where the baby go, go. The smoking area.
Okay, baby. It's supposed to be doing that. That's what we're testing with smoke.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just don't know. We go back over there. Let me try something here. Maybe I pushed it too far down. Let's try that. Before we had smoke coming out of everywhere. Let's try that. I don't know. Before we had smoke coming out of there, but now we don't. We had smoke coming out of the intake, now we don't. I don't know what the deal is. Why there's so many damn. I don't know. Like I said before, there was smoke coming out of there. We fixed that. We taped all that up. Remember, it was broken here. We taped that up. There would be smoke coming out of there right now, and there's not. I don't know. This was very, very small vacuum leak. Doesn't bother me that much, but it bothers my wife. Let's take this thing out. Obviously the smoke machine's working, see? There's a lot of smoke.